that Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, Jew, each was made by one hand true, and each is beloved of the one, each is beloved of the one. Every wisdom teaching that, and they all describe the creation of the human being and the creation of the world, every single one of them that I'm familiar with starts out with a song. That the Supreme Being, I get touched by this, the Supreme Being, whatever your word for it is, whether it's God or Allah, sings the world into existence, sings, sings the human being into existence. So in the Sufi way it says, God took the light from God's face and said, be Muhammad, be the first light. Said, be the first light. In the other Abrahamic tradition, the rest of the Abrahamic tradition, it said, God said, let there be light. And this relates to us because from that first light, we are all created. And not only are we all created from that light, we are all created in the image of God, so we are all created to sing beauty, holiness, creation into existence. We're given that. We can sing from a deeper and deeper place in our being. And this class will show you how to do that. We'll give you some tools and give you some practice to sing not only from a vocal point of view, because I have some vocal tips for you, and as well as from learning more deeply who you are and singing from a deeper place as well. It's for anyone who wants to learn how to sing from a deeper place in the heart and to know the truth of who you truly are through your voice and through your holy, the holy creation that you are.